Okay, here's a piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. The rule's in millimetres. The material's been wetted to help highlight the colours a bit more. Looking at that piece, it should be reasonably easy to cut. Put a saw through there somewhere and just grind the top off, and hopefully you've got a nice big stone. It looks like it should have. Whether there's some more colour under here, I'm not sure. But I think that's, if you want to invest in a bit of money and have something that's a little bit easier, I think this might be one of those pieces that you should be able to cut reasonably easily. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.